Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change the notification LED light color for Telegram group messages, so you can instantly recognize them without even unlocking your phone. If your device supports LED notifications, customizing the color is a simple way to stay organized and avoid missing important group chats. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control how Telegram behaves, including notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to manage alerts for messages, groups, and channels. Now tap on Groups. Since we're focusing on group notifications, this is where you'll find the relevant options. Scroll down a bit and tap on More Options. This will reveal additional customization settings that aren't immediately visible. Look for the option called Light Color and tap on it. You'll now see a selection of colors available for your notification LED. Choose the color you prefer. For example, you might pick blue for work groups, green for friends, or red for urgent discussions. This makes it much easier to identify notifications at a glance. After selecting your color, tap Set to confirm your choice. That's it. Your Telegram group notifications will now use the LED color you selected, helping you stay organized and respond faster. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other notification settings in Telegram to fully customize your experience.